Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. Now our today's video is going to be very important for all the people who have joined companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Cognizant as freshers. Okay, because in this video we are going to discuss the most important point, that is, are internal exams of IT companies a big scam? The reason is that we receive a lot of questions in the comment section regarding this internal exams for all the companies. Okay, so in this video we will discuss three important points related to three companies. Okay, that is the first, Infosys Power Programmer exam, that is for DAC and Specialist Programmer SP. The next point is TCS's internal exam. Okay, that is Elevate Wings 1, which was earlier called as DCA. Then we will discuss about Wipro Turbo and Elite Velocity program. We will also discuss about the compiler issues faced during the exam, interview not happened, or even the Faang plus level papers in this internal exams, okay, for these IT companies. Now, the next point that we are going to discuss in our today's video is that we get a lot of questions as well that you only make videos for the full stack web development programs or even the web development programs in general or the data science courses, boot camps such as, okay. Now, why don't you make a video on Salesforce certifications and how to get a job as a Salesforce developer or a Salesforce admin or even a functional consultant? So we will discuss that as well in our today's video. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end. So let us begin. Please like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So guys, here it is. That is the Salesforce Job Guarantee Bootcamp, which is conducted by Saasguru. Here you will be able to learn from accomplished Salesforce professionals, and you will be getting placed with an average salary of up to 8 lakh rupees, guys. And the best part about this program is that you will be getting 3x Salesforce certified and job ready. Okay, the average salary hike after this bootcamp is around 112%, and you will be getting access to 30 plus employer partners across the globe with the help of Saasguru. So let us have a look at the eligibility criteria and application process for this. But before moving forward, here is a short description. This program is for the 160 hours of duration, which includes soft skills and agile project delivery. This will be a hybrid mode and it will be hands-on. Okay, capstone project, Salesforce Labs, Jira and Confluence, all training will be provided. Now the next part is that you will be job ready. Okay, the LinkedIn profile building, resume building, mock interviews, all will be included under this bootcamp. And this is suited for Salesforce developers, admin, functional consultant. Okay, now these are the important dates for the upcoming cohorts. Okay, the second cohort will start on 5th of November. If you want, that is Saturday. If you want, you can click on apply now and you can directly join this bootcamp. Okay, you have to enter your name, email ID, mobile number, work of years of experience in IT industry, and which cohort would you like to join. You can select any date, that is November 2022, December 2022, or even the January one, okay, the next year. So here you have to just click on submit. Okay, you have to fill in your basic details and then you can start the cohort. Okay, here the third cohort is on 3rd of December. Okay, and the next cohort, that is 4th, will be on 7th of January next year. Now, who this program is for? Okay, this program is definitely for all the people who are looking, who are already in the IT industry and looking to upskill in Salesforce. Okay, with professional experience of 1 to 5 years in IT, and you should have a good hands-on knowledge on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Java, J2EE, Servlets, JSP. Okay, web server, that is Tomcat, RDBMS, and SQL, along with the cloud basics. Okay, education requirement is that you should have completed a BE, BTech in CS, computer science, engineering, IT, ENTC, lot of other branches. Okay, MCA, MSc, computer science, and minimum of 60% and above aggregate marks. What are the next steps? The next steps are very simple. These steps are common for all the dates. Okay, so here you will find that for November month, the first thing is application intake. You have to fill in your details and everything. Second would be complete your payment. You can also opt for pay in 4 easy EMIs as well. The next part would be onboarding and training. You will be going through an intensive training program for the next 20 weeks and will be getting a job after that. The next would be interim and final assessment followed by offer letter. Okay, so these are the process. You can simply click on apply now. Okay, and you can supercharge your skill set. And in this program, they will focus on building 4 core skills. The first one is Salesforce skills. Second would be capstone project. Third would be consulting skills. And the fourth one would be soft skills training. Now the tools covered under this bootcamp is Jira, Canva, Confluence, Visual CV, Mural, a lot of other things. Okay, and here you can see business interactions, design, project lifecycle, build, all these things. Now the most important part about this program, this bootcamp, is that the gurus, okay, who will be the instructors for this program. So here you will find that Roshan, who is a 10x Salesforce certified Salesforce product manager at Saasguru. The next one is Pratik, who is 17x Salesforce certified chief product officer at Saasguru. Then you have Atif, then you have Amit, who are again the top CXOs of the company. Okay, so they will be teaching you everything, each and everything, and you will be getting a job after this bootcamp. Okay, so you can go through their website as well. You can join there. They do have an application as well. You can go and download that application as well. So you can go through this. I will give all the links in the description. You can go and apply for this program, this wonderful program, okay, and get placed. Okay guys, thank you so much. Let us go back to our video. Recently, this post by Money Control went viral. Okay, it was stated that for IT freshers, only 25k hike was given, and for CEO, it was 60 crore. Okay, the top CXO salary hike between 2012 to 2022 was 835%, and that of fresher hike, okay, in the same time was only 45%, guys. So this is a big concern that we should focus on. Okay, now I will give the link in the description. You can go and watch this video as well. Okay, let us begin and move forward. Now here is the first case about the internal examination. Now Infosys has an examination called as Power Programmer. A lot of people have already given this examination. That is for DAC and Specialist Programmer, SP. Now in this case, what happens is that a lot of people are criticizing this Power Programmer examination which was conducted by Infosys recently. If you go on any social media handle and if you search for hashtag Power Programmer, you will find a lot of posts, a lot of memes on this particular examination. Okay, people say that I don't think the problem setters of this Power Programmer examination work at Infosys. They work at top Faang companies. Okay, and the second person said that if you can solve this examination, you can clear any company's coding round. Okay, the next person said that it is okay with setting up a tough paper of Faang level, but make sure that you are providing the package of Faang level as well, because for DSP and DAC and SP the package is 6.5 and 9 LPA. Okay, whereas the packages for Faang level companies is more than 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Okay, so people don't have problem with solving tough problems or tough questions, tough coding questions, but the only thing is that please make sure that you provide the package of that level as well. So guys, if you are watching this video and if you have completed or if you have cleared this Power Programmer exam, please let us know in the comment section so that our other people can connect with you and get some help from you and get to crack this exam as well. Now let us discuss about TCS's internal examination that is called as Elevate Wings 1. Earlier it was called as DC examination. Okay. Now in TCS's case, there are a lot of employees. Okay, more than 6 lakhs plus employees. Now out of which most of them are freshers. Okay. Now what happens in this case is that it becomes really difficult for TCS to explain the entire process, the syllabus and everything to all the people out there. Okay, so that is the reason why most of them, more than 50 or more than 60% of them don't know exactly what Elevate Wings is all about. Okay, so don't worry, we will soon make a video on Wings syllabus and everything, what is Elevate Wings and how to register for that, how you can crack that as well. Okay, so we'll bring in someone who have already cracked this examination so that it would be helpful for you all. Okay, now you don't worry about that. Now the next important point is that a lot of people have faced this issue, that is compiler issues. Okay, during examination, during coding round, the compiler was not working properly. They were not able to select different coding languages of their choice. Okay, all these things happened, okay, during the examination. Okay, so that is the reason why a lot of people were not able to clear this examinations for digital or for innovator cadre. Okay, so that is the reason why a lot of people are agitating against TCS that this is very difficult and it is a lucky draw or something like that. If you go on Google and search for results, recently the results were also announced for Wings 1. If you have already qualified this exam, congratulations. Please do mention in the comment section that you have cleared the Wings 1 examination so that all other people who are watching this video can get motivated from that. Now in Wipro's case, it is somewhat different. Okay, so what happened? Wipro conducted an online hiring test, that is the AMCAT test, and people who cleared that examination AMCAT test as well as the interviews and everything, they got an email of Velocity program depending on the marks that they have obtained. Okay, the people who have successfully completed these courses offered in the Velocity program and submitted all the assignments on time and everything, they have got an email for turbo offer, that is 6.5 LPA. Okay, and the rest of the people who did not complete this Velocity program, they got an offer of Elite, that is for 3.5 LPA. Okay, now in this case, what is happening for Wipro is not currently onboarding a lot of candidates, okay, that have the offer. So that is the reason why these people, turbo and elite people, are not getting the joining letters and they are waiting like since 6 to 8 months. Okay, So that is the reason why people are really scared. Like, will Wipro onboard us? Like, will Wipro give the turbo and elite offers to all the people and make them join the company? So a lot of people are thinking about this. So you don't have to worry, okay? If you are someone who is waiting for joining letters, please mention in the comment section. We will answer all your doubts. Okay, guys? So please make sure that you like this video. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. If you want us to make a video on some topic, then please mention that in the comment section. We will definitely try to research about it and make a video as soon as possible on that particular topic. Thank you so much.